I just got out of work. 3:30. The sun came out. It was a bit gloomy this morning. Makes for a beautiful day for a Jeep drive. Let's get up in the mountains. So my wife, she's really big on decorating and really going all out for our daughter's birthday parties, which is really nice. It's fun. And for this specific birthday party we have coming up, she wants some logs. She wants to make a fairy themed party, and so she wants some logs for decoration. And I was very quick to jump up and be like, I will get them. So for that reason, I am making a trip out to the mountains to go cut some logs. That's the only reason, right? I just want to go cut some logs. Not really. I'd love to get out. All right, so I'm driving up Beauty Creek Road right now. This, I've never actually been up this way. I came up here by recommendation of a friend at work. He said this is one of his favorite places in the area to go primitive camping. And then I want to make a big loop up here, look for those logs I was talking about, and just get out and explore. The road right now is still paved. I do expect it to turn to dirt at some point, because that's when things get fun, right? So I've got my tire pressure equalizer here. I have done a video about this. If you're interested in it, it's a pretty awesome tool. You can look at the video link, which I'll have right here somewhere, and see the review I did on this. If you would like something similar for yourself, it actually is really a cool tool for off-roading and airing down your tires, and as well as airing up your tires on a regular basis. Air is dropping. So we have officially started our climb, and it is beautiful up here, just as expected. Seeing snow already, and we still have, let's see what elevation we're at here. 3,000. We still got about 1,000 feet to go in elevation, so might get some fun snow up ahead. I don't know if you can see this. The snow is melting. The sun is beaming down on it, and it's steaming. It's actually really pretty from here. squeeze here. Pull up here. So I just drove over a big pile of fallen trees. They were across the road. They're everywhere across the road. Somebody has come through and cut them out. So they are drivable, right? But there's still piles all over the road. And as I was driving, I was hearing this odd sound. I got a friend tagging along. Big old branch. It looks like it's kind of wedged up underneath the body there, pushing on the exhaust. So I'm going to try and back up and see if it comes out. Okay, so I have a dilemma here now. This may be the end of the trail for us today. And I know I've done this in the past. The last time I did not have a chainsaw, this time I do. But let me show you what I'm facing here. So one thing, I am alone up here and facing the snow by myself on this edge feels a little risky. But the snow is melting, very soft. We got more logs here. And again, I do have a chainsaw. It is a battery powered chainsaw. I have 3 batteries. That's probably good for, who knows, 6, 7 trees maybe. I mean, if I could get through that snow, that just feels too risky. Maybe if I had a winch, I'd give it a little shot, but I don't. Then I'd have to chop 1, 2, at least 3 trees here. Let's see what's up further. That's the other question, because it has not been driven beyond here. And so far there is a lot of down trees that have already been chopped. Yeah, I can see more up ahead. So anyways, that's our problem here. I can't go back. I was gonna make basically a double loop on this ride. I may try to do that. So I came to a point where the road split right and left. Actually it split 4 ways really. And I took the way to the right. That way would have taken me to the peak. And then from that peak, back around the loop, back to that same intersection. From there, I want to make another loop back down the hill. The question is, am I going to hit this again, going the other way? And these views up here are beautiful. This is why I wanted to get to the peak. just ahead, it will split again. I came up from what would be our left now, and I'm gonna actually stick to the right and try and make a different loop on the way out of here. And I think at this point I'm going to look for some logs for my wife. One more. There we go. 5 logs. 1 battery. This chainsaw is pretty sweet. Not going anywhere. I learned this trick from years of carrying a kayak on top. Forget tying your straps up, just shut them in the door. All right, we got the logs cut up, loaded on top, ready to continue the trail and have some fun. Well, here we are again. Snow, slushy snow. And considering that I told my wife I would be home in about an hour, I don't want to be getting stuck. And it's getting dark in about an hour, so there's that element as well. So, I guess we're going back down the way we came. Oh well, lots of fun. Got my logs. Got to get out. Enjoy this beautiful nature up here in North Idaho. That's the U-joint for my front axle is bad. Right now I'm just hoping it doesn't break because it got worse very suddenly. So here, we'll do the sound one more time from in here and one more from outside. So that's what a failing U-joint sounds like. I guess it's time to roll around underneath the Jeep and get it fixed. Filling up 2 tires at once.